Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, everyone, I would like to say, how are you? Today I am here at my mother's house and we planned to make a biko, one of the Philippine delicacies here. So this is one of the most wonderful and yummy, delicious food here in the Philippines. So the kids are there, they are playing, and this is my sister too. She tries to what do you call this, kagud here in the Philippines, but she didn't make it. If she's the one who will work the kagud, maybe tomorrow pa siya mahumani po. So of course I am the ate, I am the oldest one, so of course I will be the one who will do it. So of course everyone, we didn't plan this food yet because it's very tiring when we are going to make it, but the children are too noisy because they want to eat biko. So of course what we do is, even though it's already evening, we just work it out because the kids wants to eat biko. And when we buy biko here, it is very expensive, everyone. I think a little circle one is 10 or 20. So that's why we are going to make our own. So there's the coconut and the sugar also. So my mother is working it na. She squeezed the coconut so that it will produce the coconut milk, the very saturated coconut milk. So just like it, when you are going to squeeze, it's very hard to make it, everyone. It's so hassle, a waste of time. So thankfully I am here so that I will help my mother doing this. So my daughter is crying. I don't know what's happening. They were just playing there, but suddenly she's crying. So everyone, I already poured it in kalaha. Then look at this, everyone, it's already boiling. So we will just wait until it will become sticky. So that's it, everyone. That's the result na. I already cooked the pilit, the glutinous rice, I think is the English of that. Yes, glutinous rice, a sticky rice one. So we hurried cooking it because we really miss biko. It's been a long time since we didn't eat because pilit here is very expensive, everyone. There is a 200 pesos in one gantang. So the dukot here, the dukot is the very yummy part of the biko.
Naay dukot,
so
everyone.
What we call
Perfect kayo akong pagluto.
Ako ang naglung agana. The coconut that we
si mama
have
na nagkandos.
And we mix the sugar is
ako ay nagkagod. Dili mahimong
latik.
latay kung web.
Yeah, it's very yummy, everyone. That is the one who will
Ka na imong mama kay di mo uli.
make the biko yummier and tastier. So that's it, everyone. My mother already mixed it so that the sweetness will comes to the black rice or the pilit.
So for
it's
today's
ready
video,
to eat na,
everyone, we are
everyone.
done cooking
So
the
of
biko.
course that's my
The
face.
beautiful,
So my mother is
the wonderful, kakanin here
Distributing to
in the
the
Philippines. The native food in the Philippines, everyone.
Because they are very
the best.
noisy. They really want to eat the biko.
Ready to eat ng person.
So that's all, everyone.
Queen of the
We already
night.
taste it and it is very yummy. Look at the face of my mother. And that's also my cousin and her
Late ang
son,
among kalagkan.
my daughter and my sister. My brother one is already sleeping.
Huyo pa nak ha, huyo pa.
He did not make it, waiting the biko. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Ano ka? Babon, init pa.
Ah, guys,
Kaon nung init pa kay Wainer ngig.
kahinom doon.
Punel ay buhay kitay.
Kaon, kasi init pa kay. Giapon sa ngirgig. Manang busog na. Tama siya eh.
Tog ng mga nag-crave sa ng mga biko.
Sila ay nagpuan nga. Magbiko. Nagkaroon na, nangapisok na hinoon.
Apo yan na.
Sabi ko. Yummy and Stacy on na. The best jud ang mga muluto. Thank you for watching.